Your Range Rover Evoque features adaptive cruise control with Q Assist for enhanced active safety. In this video, we'll show you how to activate and adjust the system settings.
The system enables a gap to be maintained from the vehicle ahead, or a set speed to be selected if there's no slower vehicles ahead. The ACC system uses a radar sensor to detect vehicles ahead. The sensor is mounted at the front of the vehicle. Always keep the sensor clear from dirt and obstruction. The sensor projects a beam directly forward of the vehicle. The system acts by regulating speed using engine control and the brakes. However, ACC is not a collision warning or avoidance system, and it does not correct any error in judgment by the driver. ACC will not react to pedestrians or objects in the road, or oncoming vehicles in the same lane. Setting a speed. Only use ACC in favorable conditions when minimal steering is required, on main roads with traffic moving in lanes. ACC may not function properly under all weather and road conditions. Do not use ACC if visibility is poor. Do not use it on icy or slippery roads. You can use the steering wheel controls to operate the system. You can intervene by using the accelerator or brake pedal at any time. To set the vehicle's current speed, press the Set button and release the accelerator. The ACC lamp illuminates to confirm operation. The set speed appears in the message center. Further presses will gradually increase the vehicle speed above the set speed. Press the minus button to gradually decrease the set speed. To cancel the set speed, press the Cancel button. The set speed will be retained in the system's memory. To resume the set speed, press the Resume button to revert back to the set speed if disengaged. How to adjust the gap to the vehicle ahead. Once a set speed has been selected, Follow mode allows a gap to be maintained from a vehicle ahead. It cannot be disengaged, though, when using cruise control. Follow mode becomes active when a vehicle ahead enters the same lane or a slower vehicle ahead is detected in the same lane. The system automatically adjusts the speed until the gap to the vehicles ahead corresponds to the gap setting. The setting is initially set for the furthest distance apart. The Follow Mode warning lamp illuminates to confirm operation. Use the steering wheel controls to decrease or increase the gap. 4 gap settings are available. The message center displays the gap set in the form of a vehicle with a varying number of bars in front of it. If required, the ACC system will apply the brakes to slow the vehicle and maintain the gap. However, please bear in mind that ACC braking is limited. If the system braking is not sufficient, an audible tone will sound. Driver Intervene is displayed in the message center. Apply the brake pedal if necessary. This will cancel ACC operation. If driver intervention is not required, the set speed is automatically resumed when the road ahead is clear, or the vehicle ahead accelerates to a speed above the set speed or changes lane, or you change lane or enter an exit lane. If a turn signal is used, the gap is reduced in anticipation of a maneuver. The previous gap is restored after a few seconds if the maneuver is not actioned. The gap is maintained until vehicle ahead accelerates to a speed above the set speed, or the vehicle ahead moves out of the lane or view, or a new gap setting is chosen. How the Q Assist feature works. Q Assist is an enhancement for the ACC system. It is intended for use in traffic queues on main roads. If the vehicle ahead comes to a standstill, the Q Assist system will bring your vehicle to a stop. The vehicle will be held stationary. A message will be displayed requesting the electronic park brake to be applied if the driver cancels Q Assist or the vehicle is stopped for more than 2 minutes. When the vehicle in front moves away, briefly press the accelerator to resume ACC operation. Q assist may be resumed when traveling above 6 miles an hour. At very low speeds, the radar may not be able to distinguish between stationary vehicles and a fixed object, such as a traffic sign.
For more information on your Range Rover Evoque, visit LandRoverUSA.com or contact your retailer.